Hey, this is Brian Jones from eLearning Art bringing you the second tutorial for the PowerPoint graphic novel design treatment. If you missed the first tutorial where we did the character styling, you can check out the links in the show notes below. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the graphic novel panels onto your slide. You can also get links to the source files and cheat sheets in the show notes below so that you can actually just go ahead and click within the PowerPoints and make the edits right there, and you don't have to design from scratch. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to create the comic panels for the graphic novel style, and actually it will work in other styles as well. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to style the characters into the graphic novel style. Now it's time to put the characters into the final design. So we'll start with the characters looking like this, and then the final design will look like this. First, you need to make a layout of your comics. So you can make a sketch or a plan on how the story will flow on each comic panel and follow that as a guide as you're doing your build. Now let's create the panels. Right-click on your empty slide. On the drop-down menu, click Format Background. On the Fill dialog, select Solid Fill. Click on the fill color icon. Select the fill color that you want. For this one, I'll use black. On the insert ribbon, click Shapes. Then click Rectangle. Create and resize the shapes to create a draft of your panels. Right-click on each shape, and then on the drop-down menu, click Edit Points. Edit the points until you get the shape or angles that you want. Now that you have the panels in place, let's learn how to change the background colors. Right-click on one of the panels. On the drop-down menu, click Format Shape. On the Fill and Line dialog, select Solid Fill. On the Fill color icon, select any color that you want as the background for each panel. For this one, I'll choose one of the grays. On the Line dialog, select No Line. To copy the format over to the other panels, click on the Styled panel first. Then on the Home ribbon, double-click the Format Painter. Click on the other panels. It'll automatically be styled to match the original panel. Nice job, your panels are in great shape. Solid colors work fine for the panels, but sometimes it's nice to add background images instead. Select the panel that you want to put the background image onto. Right-click on the panel. On the drop-down menu, click Format Shape. On the Fill dialog, select Picture or Texture Fill. Click the File dialog box. Select the image that you want as the background. Adjust the offset properties to your desired position and size of the background. Repeat the process on the other panels. Adjust the background images until you're done. Now it's time to insert the characters onto each panel. Copy the treated characters, click Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Paste the character onto the panel You can Control V on Windows or Command V on Mac. Right-click onto the character. On the drop-down menu, click Crop. Crop the character depending on the shape of the panel. Then just repeat the process on each character to fit into the panels. You'll just put and edit all the characters in until you're done. Now that we have the panels and the characters in place, it's time to add some speech bubbles. On the Insert ribbon, click Shapes. On the callout section, select the speech bubble that you'd like. For this one, I'll choose Speech Bubble Oval. Draw the speech bubble and adjust the shape. Then right-click on the shape, Format Shape, then select Solid Fill. On the fill color icon, click White. On the line dialog, select Solid Line. Click the outline color icon and click Black. Adjust the width according to your preferences or whatever looks right. On the compound type, click Simple. Copy and paste the speech bubbles to the other panels. Adjust the point of the speech bubble to each character. Click on each speech bubble and type in the dialogues. On the home ribbon, choose the font type, size, and color that you'd like. Type in all the dialogues until you're done. Nice job! You're now done with your graphic novel style in the panels. And there we have it. You've learned how to create a graphic novel design treatment all in PowerPoint. And this should be something that you feel comfortable pitching as a style that you can design in. Remember, you can download all the source files and cheat sheets for the tutorial so that you can not start from scratch, but actually just use this as a base to modify your design. And if you found this video useful and are stoked to get the source files, if you can just take 3 seconds right now and like the video, it's really helpful for me knowing this is something that you guys are enjoying, and it also helps me get discovered. So I appreciate that very much. If you are looking for more design treatment tutorials and source files, please visit elearningart.com to learn more. I'll have all of those links in the show notes. Thanks so much.